Hey everyone. So here we are going to see how to transfer the Excel data to the My SQL server. So here we have taken some sample beer data here. So we just have to go to the data and we have to open My SQL for Excel. Make sure that you install this tool from Google. You just have to type that you want to transfer the data from Excel to MySQL, and they will suggest you a tool, and you just have to download that so that it reflects on your Excel. So MySQL for Excel is the name of the tool. So here what we are going to do is that we are going to create a new connection, and the connection name will be beer data, and you'll have to type password as per your convenience. Press OK. You can even test the connection. So the connection success. So then OK. So you have created a new connection on beer data. Let me see. Yeah, this is the connection. So you have to double click on this. So you'll have to create a new schema since we don't have any schema associated with it. So we'll give name as beer data. So we have created a schema also. So we just have to scroll down here and we'll have to see the beer data. Click next. Then you'll have to press Ctrl A to select the whole data. So you have to export the Excel data to a new table here. So it should reflect like this, and this is the primary key which is showing a blue column. So this is what we are having right now. So we have to go to the export data option. So operation is completely successfully, and then we'll have to open my SQL workbench. So as you can see, there's a beer data already loaded here, and the schema is also loaded here. So you just have to click here and you can check the beer data values here, and if you just want to uh, look at the data, so I got the table here. Now you're free to do any kind of operations as you wish. Thank you.